For the A19 challenge, I'm going to give you the data file for the people, places, and pets. And I want you to use pandas and plotly and find something you think is interesting about the data. It can really be any aspect of the data. There are several interesting patterns in this data, I will tell you, because I created the data specifically to have those patterns. And all you have to do in this is make a chart that illustrates what you think is interesting and provide a brief explanation of why you think it's interesting and submit that as the assignment. Should not be very difficult. And I'm going to give you a little bit of a starter here. This code, which I will also post, does a couple of things for you. It imports pandas and plotly. It reads. Keep in mind, you do need to install both of those libraries. This reads this CSV file and prints out the data frame. This section will take the data frame and group them by state, adding up the number of total pets. So if you want total pets by state, I've done that part for you. You can go back and look at the code that I used today. Actually, I'll post all of that. But this, I'll run this. There's the data frame. And then this is the total pets per state, which you could then use for a bar chart or something like that if you wanted. But there's a lot of interesting things about this data that you can illustrate. So the data and the sample code from today, I'm going to post right now. And as soon as that's up, you can start playing around with that. You can use Jupyter Notebook, but you can also use just regular old PyCharm. Okay, so I'm take this code, put it in here. As soon as I run that, let's see here, it should be. Doesn't like something I'm doing. Oh, there it is. Okay, so there's that code. And if I was to come back here and grab the histogram, just want to show you how that works from here. Okay, so that's, you can see that from PyCharm, it just opens up in its own little window here. So that's another way to do this.